Internationally acclaimed dancehall producer Tony Kelly's latest protege, Kalia, have a hot new track. Designer, first of all, Kalia, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me.
That's a good. All right, first of all, we're hearing a lot of good things about your new track, Designer. Tell us 3 words to describe Designer.
I would say fashion, style, and class.
Designer. I heard the song, so I found that it actually wasn't about what I expected it to be about. Tell us a little bit about the concept.
Nowadays, Instagram, you have Facebook, you have everybody there and they're flaunting what them have, and it can make certain people feel some type of way. So Designer is just to remind you that no matter what, no matter your style, your fashion, your self-worth is not determined by what you see or what people have or what you don't have. You know, what matters is what's inside. It sounds cliche, but it's true.
It's very timely because coming at a time where, you know, a lot of the dancehall topics is about the name brand and this and that and whatever, and that's cool too sometimes, I guess, but it's also refreshing to hear another perspective, another side of it. What inspired it for you?
Let's not get it twisted. I'm not saying that you can never wear that and don't ever. It's just to know that that's not what makes you popping and that make you hot. You understand? And you make you hot. And I was actually scrolling on Instagram while I was sitting right there where you're sitting, and Tony was making the beat, and I saw this girl. She was wearing some designer shades. I don't remember which one. And while he was making the beat, we just sing out Dolce and Gabbana, and then that's how we just write the song. Yeah.
And you've been privileged enough to work with one of dancehall's legendary producers, Tony Kelly. How long have you guys been working together, and what's that process been like?
It's been 2 years now, and it's been a learning experience for me. I feel, like I said, I feel blessed. I am blessed, you know, because he's a legend basically. And the process, it's like I said, it's a learning process for me, and it's been an amazing journey. And I just feel so happy to even be sitting here and to be continuing on this journey. So big up Tony Kelly for always believing in me, and yeah, we are pushed through.
No, I'm not seeking.
And one of the things that I was actually pleasantly surprised about Designers, it was that it have a nice reggae groove. It have a nice reggae groove, but it still have like a contemporary sound as well too. Is that like indicative of your overall style, or how would you describe your style?
Yeah, it's a mixture. You know, I grew up listening to every single genre that you can think of. So from R&B to dancehall to rock. So my music is a fusion, but of course we have, you know, one of dancehall's top producers, Tony Kelly. So it's gonna still have that the reggae, the dancehall at the core. You understand? So that's always gonna be my home, but of course is a blend up thing.
Talk to me a little bit about who some of your artistic influences would be locally.
I would say Shaggy. Sean Paul, Lady Saw, Miss Marianne Hall now, and
you're international artist, see?
well, I mean,
Not bad.
yeah, Buju Banton as well. Pick up yourself. There's so many, so many, honestly, and it's not just artists. It's songs as well. It's not like for me, it wasn't. You know, a lot of people say this artist or this artist influenced them. Like I said, I listen to everything, so it would be like songs and selections that, cause everybody, if you see my playlist right now, everybody mix up in there.
And speaking about songs in general as well too, you also have another song that you're promoting as well too, other than Designer. Tell us about that one.
Yeah, it's called Run This. It's on the Money Up season that just came out. Mr. G and Conscience is on it as well. And it's just about, you know, the come up. The come up, because when you reach a certain place and you have certain things, people feel like you didn't do anything to get there. You're just dropping at it, you know. But of course, we know that everybody have them struggles. Everybody goes through things. And yeah, we run this now. We come from nothing. Now we run this. Yeah.
That's a good one. Any visuals for that one?
Yes, I hope so, and I think so. We should shoot a video for it, so look out for it. Soon. We can't say too much, you know.
That's a good one. And in terms of performances, have you been focusing on any of that lately, or are you just promoting the singles for now?
Yeah, I came from tour not so long ago. I was opening for Alborosi on the South American leg of his tour. So we did Chile, Costa Rica, Guatemala, El Salvador, Colombia. It was an amazing experience, and we're back now. Of course, this just come out, so we're gonna push forward with that and just keep putting in the work.
That I go on now. Lastly, what message do you? I mean, you kind of told me the message before, but I wouldn't even mind you driving it home one more time in terms of designer. What do you want people to get from this song?
Dolce and Gabbana. We don't need that to stay fly. We do it all the time. Are the lyrics that, and it just speaks for itself.
That I go on. Lastly, now tell me what most makes Kalia intense.
My voice, my style, and my smile.